Xbox app installed in Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Xbox app on your Android device using the Google Play Store. Whether you want to manage your Xbox console, stream games, or connect with friends, the Xbox app makes everything easier, so let's get started. First, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Simply tap on the Google Play Store icon from your home screen or app drawer to launch the store. After that, once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar and simply search for Xbox. As you type, you'll see suggestions pop up. Select Xbox from the list to search for the official Xbox app. Look for the official Xbox app in the search bar. It should be from Microsoft Corporation. Make sure it's the right one to avoid downloading any unofficial apps. Once you've selected the Xbox app, you'll see the apps page. To install it, tap on the install button. And that's it. That's how you simply install Xbox through your Google Play Store.